It's Friday, and you've almost survived another crazy week in AI. Let's get into today's news. Researchers at CMU built Sim2Reason that places LLMs inside physics simulators with random scenes. The model learns to reason about the physical world by watching things collide, fall, and bounce, not by reading textbooks. Because the data comes from simulation, the supply is effectively unlimited. The clever part is that none of this requires human annotation. Real-world physics data is expensive, dangerous, or impractical to collect at scale. Simulation bypasses all of that. The result? Up to 10% improvement on International Physics Olympiad problems. Claude Design is built for people who need to get from an idea to something visual quickly. Every project starts with a prompt that you refine through conversation, inline comments, and direct edits. It reads your codebase and design files to apply your team's design system automatically. But it's not just for coding projects. You can push finished work out as PDFs, PowerPoint files, or even send directly to Canva. Claude has always been great at code, but the front-end polish has been lagging. This is their attempt to raise the bar. This week we've had Opus 4.7, routines, a desktop redesign, and now a design tool. It's genuinely hard to keep up with everything they ship. OpenAI's new GPT-Rosalind is a drug discovery-specific model that handles evidence synthesis, hypothesis generation, experimental planning, and multi-step scientific workflows across biochemistry, genomics, and protein engineering. In tests with gene therapy company Dino Therapeutics, it ranked above the 95th percentile of human experts on RNA sequence prediction. OpenAI is also shipping a life sciences plugin for Codex that connects to over 50 scientific tools and data sources. OpenAI is carving its frontier model into domain-specific variants and restricting access to vetted professionals, a strategy worth watching. HeyGen just open-sourced HyperFrames that creates video from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It ships with over 50 ready-to-use blocks and components, shader transitions, data visualizations, and cinematic effects. You scaffold a project, preview it in the browser, and render to MP4 locally or in Docker. HyperFrames integrates directly with Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex. You describe what you want, the agent writes the HTML, and HyperFrames turns it into a real video file. No timeline, no keyframes, just a prompt and an MP4. HeyGen went from selling avatar videos to open sourcing the rendering layer.